Hi guys, Shelli Pelly, I'm Parker Confidential. Okay, who hasn't seen on Pinterest or on YouTube ads that promise 5 exercises that will melt away your belly fat, all while picturing a fitness model with 8-pack rock hard abs? Or this one, melt away back fat in 1 week with these 3 exercises. All right, if you've ever been enticed by them, you're not alone, because listen, it's really easy to be enticed, but does it work? Bullshit, it doesn't work. Come on back and I'm gonna tell you why it doesn't work, but more importantly, I'm gonna share with you exactly what does work. Come on back in the house and meet me there. Okay guys, here I am casually sitting on my kitchen countertop. All right, let's talk about all of these great claims that we see. I was on Pinterest and YouTube yesterday, and I was seeing a lot of these videos and promotions on 5 exercises that melt away belly fat, 3 exercises 1 week to melt away back fat. And it was really starting to piss me off for a couple different reasons. One, I just don't like it when people mislead other people. It's kind of a pet peeve. But more importantly, if you don't know any better, and listen, we've all got our lane, and if fitness and nutrition hasn't been your lane, you're not to blame. So you'll try the 5 exercises, you'll do the 1 week back fat loss thing, and then you're not going to get the results that you want or that are claimed, and then you think it's your fault. It is not your fault. Here is the truth of the matter. You cannot spot train to lose weight on a particular area of your body. So all of the crunches in the world, all of the sit-ups in the world is not going to melt away belly fat. Same thing with back fat. No matter what you do, all the flies in the world, all the deltoid rollouts, you're not melting away that back fat. Okay, so what does? Here's the deal. Diet and cardio are what will help you to lose weight overall. And as a result, if you're losing it overall, you will naturally lose it in areas that are your problem areas. If I had to pick between the two, cardio and diet, I would pick diet, because that, in my opinion, is 80 to 90% of losing weight, of leaning out. Weight training, crunches, ab exercises, those are great for strengthening your body and for building lean muscle mass. If you want to get the 8-pack of the fitness model, or at least get some semblance of it, that is a combination of 3 things. It is consistency. You can't just half-ass it. You've got to commit to it. Diet, a good clean diet, and some cardio. So those are the 3 elements: diet, cardio, and consistency. Any ad that claims that you can spot train away your belly, back fat, inner thigh fat, or anything on your body with an exercise, run, don't walk. The way that you're going to lose fat in any area is through diet mainly and through cardio. Okay, so lately this is what I've been having. I will have my latte and an almond milk in the morning. Then I've been having this kachava, which is essentially a meal replacement. This is a blend of organic superfoods. It's all plant-based. This is the vanilla. It smells good. I just whip it with almond milk and some ice, and that's what I have. This has about 240 calories, and it's got 25 grams of protein, which of course you know is helping to build your muscle. And then for lunch, you guys know that I like my Sakara, right? It's a plant-based meal delivery. Here's what I'm having. Okay, so this is my Sakara. Like I said, it's plant-based meal delivery, and it's got, you can see, has a ton of greens, some oranges, zucchini, you know I meant to say, carrots. It's got like a hemp seed mix, and then it has a little bit of a citrus vinaigrette. So I'll usually have this for lunch because that gets a ton of my greens in. And again, I'm staying away from starchy carbs, because for me at least, and I know for a lot of women, that's what really drives and that's no bueno. And then for dinner, a lot of you know that I went totally vegan last October. I have started to incorporate white fish back into my diet. I felt that I was getting really tired and exhausted, so I was trying to get more of my protein from beans and seeds, and I'll be honest, I gained weight, and I don't gain weight easily. So I've started to incorporate white fish into my diet. I still stay away from meat. I still don't eat any dairy. So for tonight, I will have a piece of white fish. I like tilapia, and I have a nice big side salad. I stay away from a lot of the starchy carbs, so potatoes, even a sweet potato. If I'm going to have one, and yes, I understand that they're good for you, but they are not good for my butt and my waist. So if I'm going to have it, I have half of a medium sweet potato, and that is my one starchy carb for the day. So that allows me to walk around at a weight where I'm most comfortable. Okay guys, so that is it in a nutshell. For all things wellness, beauty, style, fitness, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel, visit me on the blog, annieparkerconfidential.com, and I'll see you in the blog.